Hi, my name's Dan Jeffries and I'm the Business Development Manager at Sabre Digital. This video is going to be the first of a short series where we are going to share with you why we are proud to be the IECHO flatbed cutter UK distributors. Let's dive in with the machine behind me, the SKII. The SKII sits at the top of the range, where from the ground up the design purpose was both speed and quality. Starting with the magnetic encoded linear drive system in both X and Y direction, the SKII delivers a blazing speed of 2.5 meters per second and an amazing accuracy of just 0.015 millimeters. The platform is designed on a solid steel frame structure, coupled with a digital map of the bed which is live throughout the cutting process.